So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a panorama and update the images. So this only works if the iGUIDE has been processed and you're using the existing data. If you go out and you reshoot new panoramas, you have to send them to us. This won't work. But if you need to change something in a panorama, you want to change the color or edit out something, this method will work. So to get started, we're going to find our iGUIDE on the My iGUIDES list, and then we're going to click on iGUIDE Details. So when we do that, we're going to get to this screen with all these buttons down the left-hand side. So there's one here that says Replace Pano Tiles. And if you click on it, it's going to bring up a preview of the iGUIDE. And you can, look around and explore the iGUIDE. What you want to do is you want to notice these down here. So these are the pano tiles, and these are what you're going to edit. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a panorama. We'll pick this one, and then we're going to click this button right here. This is the key. It says Download All. So when we do that, what it's going to do is it's going to download all those images. So it's the 6 images you see right here, which represent the 6 sides of a cube, all 4 sides, and then the top and the bottom. So it's downloaded as a zip file, and I'm just going to extract it. And then these are just JPEGs, and you can edit them however you like. So I would typically bring one of these into Photoshop. In this case, I might, edit out any dust motes or any issues that are there that are impermanent and that I can remove. I'll take them out, and then I'll resave them with the same file name. So once I've edited these, what I'm going to do is go back to the portal, and I'm going to re-upload them again. And the way you do that is right from here. So when you click on this dotted box, you can then go to the edited images, and the important part is to select them all. When you select them all and click open, it'll show you a preview for each one down here, and they should be similar, if not identical, to the ones above it, and they look the same, so that's good. Then I'm going to click save, and then what's going to happen is that I'm going to get this screen here, and this allows me to confirm. So you have old and you have new. That way you can't accidentally upload the wrong panorama to the wrong space in the house. The final step is to click submit, and then when you go reload the iGUIDE, the panorama will be changed to whatever you changed it to.